Hello friends, this is Melanie Stone, the Mistress of the Darkness, and I wanted to share with you my unboxing video. My friends over at AMD sent me an absolutely amazing computer, and this is the first time that I laid eyes on it. And also assisting me is my older son, Tyrus. This is Melanie Stone, the Mistress of the Darkness, and today I'm trying a little something different with my hardware review. I am going to do an unboxing. This is pretty exciting for me because my new friends at AMD have sent me a machine and I have no idea what to expect. I don't know the specs or the model, and I'm very excited to see what kind of machine we're gonna get. Once I open it up and set it up, I'm going to be running the same performance tests. Probably, on the system itself, but also on AutoCAD and Revit. There are some built-in tests, and then there's some add-on tests that if you Google around and check the Augie forums and the Revit City, I believe, there are some good tests out there that you can pick out and see exactly how much faster or slower your machine is than this pretty one. And I wasn't expecting a box this big. It's pretty exciting to see that coming in today. And the cats were definitely yelling at me to open it up so they could have a giant box to play in. So we've got some good packing here.
Seal the air.
That's cute. Like I want to make a little sectional sofa. And for anybody else, let's reduce, reuse, and recycle. I've gotten so many online shopping orders. I'm not buying any gift wrap this year. I'm going to be using paper packing materials. Hi, Erin. We are looking at me unboxing a new machine from AMD. I don't know what kind of machine yet. You get to discover it alongside me.
It's got paper.
Okay, so what's this say? Eclipse P600S. Accessible area, enter if you dare. That's pretty intimidating. Do not disturb. Too late. I'm already disturbed. Ooh. Now this looks like a gaming rig for sure.
Republic of Gamers.
Okay. I'll take up residency there. ROGstrix X570 EGaming motherboard. Okay, that sounds pretty serious. I have a lot of connector cables, which is great because I really hate it when I get a machine to evaluate and I have to go out and buy a bunch of cables. Ooh, enter for a chance to win a $50 Steam card. I'm in. All right, let's put the accessories out of the way and then move on to the main event. This is, whoops. I'll go ahead and take that. All right.
Got a second box.
Oh, goodness. Okay. Phanteks. All right, let's get this out of the way so my personal Vanna White here can help me. Continue unboxing. So, designed in the Netherlands, Phanteks.com. 15.5 kilograms. Do the math on that for me, Ty. How many pounds is that?
At least 3.
Beautiful.
Somewhere in the 30s.
You can see our audience waiting for their boxes. Yes, very excited, Aaron. My youngest especially, because he's been using my laptop. 33 pounds, Aaron says. Thank you. It's a bit late in the day. My youngest has been using my personal laptop, which is about 10 years old, and it's not exactly responsive. And I don't put a second monitor on it because it's a laptop and he moves around a lot, so the screen's terrible. So he especially is very excited about having access to this one. And I'm also really impressed with the packing. It definitely was not going anywhere in this packaging. All right, this may need to be slid all the way out at once. Oh, nice work. You can see why I'm having him do the heavy lifting right now, right? Yeah, I'm pretty excited for them too, Aaron. It's really frustrating even for me working on much older equipment. And my needs aren't even that great resource-wise. But when trying to run a game on a 10-year-old laptop, it's a little bit disappointing.
Got another box here.
Okay, thank you. Let's see what we've got in here. Thank you for choosing Phanteks Eclipse P600S accessory kit. Ooh, lovely. Looks like a bracket of some sort. Ooh, that was a solid thunk. Oh. Haven't had a desktop in quite a while, but the last one I had was probably similar size. I believe it had been a server or something before IT gave it to me for my CAD and BIM.
I assume it's supposed to do that.
Do what? Yeah.
Is there a filter over there? Feels like it.
Yes, there is a nice, beautiful big filter over here. This looks like there's room for plenty of airflow, which tells me there's going to be a lot of power under the hood. Got some covers for our inputs, and that might be the power button. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is some serious business. I haven't, I haven't, these things are seriously heavy. This is really, really heavy. Yes, it is very shiny. What do we got over here? Oh, wow.
Look at all.
Yeah, plenty of room for expansion, it looks like. I definitely like that. That is a big fan. All right, Ty, could you just set it upright for me? I think it looks like the side of that case can swing open, so I wouldn't mind. Oh, well, I don't think, maybe we don't need to open it, except to take out the packing material. This is tempered glass. Okay, I don't know about this. I kind of feel like I'm going to break this. But hey, if gamers can deal with this, I think we can too. That is seriously pretty. Do you think you can pop off that back panel?
Over here?
Yeah, maybe there's like a little switch. I don't think I saw any screws.
No, there are hinges over here.
Yes, Dario, this does look like the works to me. Oh. So I'm going to Oh, I think my Vanna White is switching this around for me so we can get a better look inside.
It's got rubber on the feet, very frictiony.
Holy cow. I've seen server farms that look less impressive than this. Yes, Sean, thank you. And I'm sure if you've enjoyed yours, I will certainly enjoy mine too. It is an absolutely beautiful thing. And of course, Sean Bryant, who is here in the chat, he's the one who hooked me up with the folks at AMD who sent this over for us. And I'm really, really looking forward to getting to try it out. Thank you for joining me. And if you have any tips on testing my performance, I would appreciate them. Thank you. Bye. That's seriously impressive. Wait, hold on to that.
For this?
Yep, and I am going to turn out the lights and step on a cat. Holy cow, that's pretty impressive. It said it had a strobe or something.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so extra. I love it. Oh, wow. Like even under the processor, you see like there's little colored stripes down there.
There's all kinds of stuff in there.
Okay, that's pretty neat. Hope you enjoyed checking out my pretty new computer. If you would like to see the type of work that I do on this machine, you can check out my blog, mistressofthedorkness.blogspot.com, or find me on Twitter as @mistressdorkness or Miss Dorkness on Instagram.